Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we are doing a question where we are given that this is an age related question and is a logical reasoning question. Okay, so let us read it. We are given that a mother is now 3 times as old as her daughter, right? Like at present, when we talk about the present scenario, she is 3 times like at present. If suppose I say 2026, I'm talking about, okay, 2026. So if daughter is 10, mother is 30, like that. If daughter is 20, mother is 60, like that. But I don't know what is the age of daughter, so I will say daughter is X and mother is what? Mother is X times 3, right? So mother is 3X, right? So now we know their present age, right? Okay. In 5 years, like after 5 years, in 5 years means like after 5 years, she will be 5 times as old as her daughter. So, okay, as her daughter was 5 years ago. So, we'll read the complete sentence first, okay? So, in 5 years, first I will find their age after 5 years, okay, like in 2031, I can say. I will write it here present, okay? Here I will write in 5 years or after 5 years. Daughter will be x plus 5 and mother will be equal to 3x plus 5. Like after 5 years, we will just add x in their age, right? Okay. Then they say she will be 5 times as old as her daughter was 5 years ago, right? Like in 2021, 5 years ago. So I will write 5 years ago here. So 5 years ago, daughter was what? Daughter was x minus 5. Like if we want to find the age 5 years ago, we'll subtract 5. And if we want to find the age after 5 years, we'll just add 5, right? So 5 years ago, mother was 3x minus 5, right or not? Okay. Now we know their ages, we know their present ages, we know their ages 5 years ago, we know their ages in 5 years. But everything is in terms of x, right? Okay. Now we need to make an equation so that we can find out x, right? Okay. So according to question, what do they say now? Now we will write it in form of equation. In 5 years, she will be 5 times. In 5 years, like x plus 5 dot mother, we are talking about mother. In 5 years, this is mother's age. Mother is 5 times of what? 5 times as old as her daughter was 5 years ago. So 5 years ago daughter was x minus 5, but these ages are not equal. Mother is 5 times. If mother is 5 times, I will have to multiply 5 in daughter's age, because we are writing an equation, and in equation both quantities left hand side and right hand side are equal, right? So if mother is 5 years 5 times, we will have to multiply 5 in daughter's age, right? Now I'll solve this equation. This is 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 25, right? Okay, so I add 25 on both sides first. What do I get? I get 3x plus 30 is equal to 5x, right? Now I subtract 3x from both sides. I get 30 is equal to 2x, right? So dividing by 2, we get x is 15. If daughter is 15, daughter was x. So present age of daughter is 15. That means present age of mother is 45, right? So we know their present ages now by just making the equation like that, right? So I hope you understood this question. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and you can visit my channel for Maths Olympiad questions, for beginner to pro packages, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting. Bye bye. See you in next video.